well done. Win or lose, we are still Antiqueños and we are going to win. As I assure you, everyone here, every athlete, coach, teachers, maybe even parents, you have all done a tremendous job to be able to reach this far. Let this event be a reminder we brought up 2023 that sports can bring people together, inspire greatness, and transform lives. I wish you all best of luck. My prayers to all our athletes, my love to all of you. Remember, hold your head up high and may you continue to strive for excellence in all that you do. Sa mga kabataan, Kruhay sa ating mga batang atleta, sa inyo talan, remember, you are the sons and daughters and descendants of a brave Dato Sumaquel. Let us prove to them that Antiqueños is a new breed at this point. So magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming